Mozlly friction-powered farm tractor vehicles, 16.5 inches, includes farmer tractor, water tank and log trailer. Push and go, no batteries needed. Farming toys playset for boys, kids, toddlers. 3PC set, open field of imaginative play. This farm tractor set features everything a junior farmer could ever need on the farm. Toys excavator, bulldozer truck for kids, construction tractor, beach sand toys, engineer caterpillar, construction vehicle sets of 2, movable claw digger trucks, toys for boys. Simulation construction vehicles, both looks and works like a real vehicles. Excavator can move 360 degrees and shovel arm has an operating handle. Bulldozer truck, swing can up and down, shovel can load and dump sand / gravel / soil. Compact but not cumbersome for kids, easy to play and carry. Funrise Caterpillar Cat Construction, build your own junior Crew Excavator Building Toy. Yellow, 80,903 3-in-1 ride-on toy, digger, scooter and storage cart. This multifunctional excavator toy by Homcom offers a ton of fun pretend play activity for imaginative moments both indoors and out. Realistic working design, the digger can move forward and backward, with a fully controllable digging bucket, and flexible arms and joints that allow kids to operate the excavator with ease. Equipped with a real working horn for added fun. These rugged tractors are perfect for both indoor and outdoor play and will provide hours of pretend play as little ones plot land and roll from one crop to the next right from their bedroom. Will make the perfect addition to their race car play sets or other farming toys.